Numerous environmental factors as well as the characteristic of the individual bacteria species govern the generation time which differ among bacteria. For instance, the generation time for the fastest growing Bacterium Clostridium perfringens is around 10 minutes. For the fastest doubling bacterium, Escherichia coli, the generation time is 20 minutes, and for the slowest growing bacterium, Mycobacterium TB, the generation time is between 12 and 16 hours. According to some experts, some bacterial populations that are found deep behind the surface of the earth may develop at slow rate, reproducing just once every several thousand years. The growth rate is largely influenced by the composition of the grow media. When the medium offers a greater energy source and more, the growth rate increases to a maximum. When bacteria are placed in a medium that provides all of the nutrients that are necessary of their growth, the population exhibits four phases of growth that are representative of a typical bacterial growth curve. During this period, called the lag phase, the cells are metabolically active and increase only in the cell size. The next one, the lag phase of bacteria growth, is followed by the stationary phase, in which the size of the population of bacteria remains constant even though some cells continue to divide and others begin to die. The stationary phase is followed by the dead phase, in which the death of cells in the population exceeds the formation of new cells. The length of the time before the onset of the dead phase depends to the species and the medium.